Welcome back, traders. Today I want to show you Three Little Pigs, which is a famous trend trading strategy for Forex traders of all levels of experience. It was first popularized in Baby Pips a few years back, and now today John McFarlane, who's quite a well-known Forex trader and trainer, promotes Three Little Pigs. It's based on using three simple moving averages, one for the week, one for the day, and one for a 4-hour period. And quite simply, if the price is above each of those, then you buy. If the price is below same moving averages, you sell. It's a bit awkward to use on the standard chart because you have three different time frames. However, in fxRulesEngine, it's very simple to configure. fxRulesEngine automates your trading plans. So let's have a look at configure just the buying side here. Now, just to remind you, with fxRulesEngine, we deal with rules, which are your market conditions, it must be true, and instructions, that is the things you want to do. If you look at the screen, you'll see we have one rule, R:01, all rules start with R:, and one instruction, RI:01. Something a little bit different here if you've been following the earlier videos, because I wanted to split the rule up a little bit so you could read it more easily. I've actually split it over three different lines, and I can do that providing the second line, third one, whatever, how many we have, has a little plus sign like a continuation character. So when fxRulesEngine reads your configuration, it will see that as R:01. And all we are using, even though Three Little Pigs is a famous and very workable strategy, we are simply using one qualifier above SMA. And above SMA looks at the current market price and compares it against the SMA calculation, and is true if it's above it. And to do that, we need to supply some information. We firstly need to say how many periods we're dealing with. And you notice if you look at the three of them here, that one and the two below, we have 55, 21, and 34. That's the SMAs set by Three Little Pigs. Okay. In the first, and then we have an ampersand, which is sort of like a separator, and then we define the time frame in minutes. These are the same time frames you have in MT4. So that's the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, and the 4-hourly. So for example, 240 minutes is 4 hours. And then we define what period are we dealing with. Is it the current period or the previous one? We use another ampersand and we just follow it with a number. It follows the same numbering as MT4. 0 is the current period, that is the one we're in currently. 1 is the previous period, the one that's just closed, and 2 would be the one prior to that. So in this case, we're saying both the weekly and daily are the completed periods, but the 4-hourly is the one that we're running through now. If all of that is true, then we issue down here as our one and only instruction a command. Every instruction has a command. Open order. We want to operation, or op is to buy. We've decided on a lot size, in this case 2 micro lots, and we've decided on a stop loss size and a take profit size. That's part of your trading plan. And that's it. As soon as we then save that and reinitialize fxRulesEngine, it will then wait, monitoring the market 24/7 on your favorite currency pair. If you do this on a Sunday, that will happen on a Monday. And as soon as those conditions come true, it places a buy order, and if you've set the configuration on, it will email you that it's done that. So thank you very much. Now this is actually the first of 2 parts, because we have many other features in fxRulesEngine which could even enhance this as a potential trading strategy for you. And so we'll have a part 2 later on. So I appreciate your time and speak to you soon.